So if we want to identify major and minor intervals, we have a list of intervals that are going to help us here. We have a minor second, a major second, minor third, major third, a perfect fourth, an augmented fourth or diminished fifth, a perfect fifth, minor sixth, major sixth, minor seven, major seven, and a perfect eighth or an octave. Now if we look through these, we'll see there are major intervals and there are perfect intervals. If we highlight those, this is your major scale, and this is really important when you're looking at identifying your major and minor intervals. So if we write an interval here, interval being the distance between two notes, we have the first note on the F, and if we count up 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll see that this is a fifth from the bottom to the top note. Now what we need to decide is, if we look at the bottom note and take that as our key, this is F major, and we have to decide if the C, the second note, is actually in F major or not. F major has a B flat, so the C natural is in F major, so it'll be one of those that is circled, so it'll be a perfect fifth. So if we take another example, if we go from D to C, what we have here is, if we count up the letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a seventh of some sort, remembering to start on 1 for your bottom note. Then we need to decide if C, the top note, is in D major, which is your bottom note. So D major has an F sharp and a C sharp. So normally, if you wanted a major seventh, you needed a C sharp. So this is a C natural, so this will be a minor 7. If you have an F to a B, for another example, what you're looking at here is the first note, 2, 3, this will be a fourth of some sort. Our two choices of fourths are perfect fourths and augmented fourths. So if we start on F, which is our bottom note, we know that in F major we have a B flat. So if it was a B flat, it would be a perfect fourth, but since it has been sharpened, it is now an augmented fourth. You might notice that the fifths and the sevenths have their notes both on spaces. This happens for any of the odd numbered ones, so the third, fifth and seventh, they'll both be on a space or both be on a line, where if you have even numbers, the fourth, the second and the sixth, you'll have one note on a space and one on a line, and that will help you remember the numbers.